She just did the blindfold makeup challenge. That's why I look like this. And, oh my god, this guy over. And I'm doing her makeup now. And she's really scared. It's fine. I won't kill you.
And I'm very...
Baby. Okay. Are we ready?
No, not quite.
Okay.
I don't want any...
Okay, I need some foundation.
How do you know that's foundation?
Because I filmed it. I know my makeup. Fine. This isn't... Oh yeah, this is foundation. Okay, yeah. Okay, where is your face?
It's right there. It's right there. Wait, yeah, I'm right in the camera.
Okay. Where's your face?
I have a beautiful recording hair.
Did they get it?
You got my eye.
Get him. Look towards me. Okay, that's enough. Here's the cap. Oh, who cares? Okay, I need something else. What's this? Okay, I need some blush. What's this? Ah! No, that's eyeshadow. Okay. Here's the blush. Can you open that? I'm weak. My hand.
I can't. I'm very weak. I know that's not...
Okay, fine. Where's it? Aha! On the opening. Oh my gosh, I did this before and aha! Okay, where's a brush? Is that a brush? No. I can't find a brush! Aha! I just heard boobs. Okay, where's your face?
No, I see.
There. Wait, one more. Okay. I need something. Eyeshadow, that's what I need. This is not eyeshadow. I can tell because the brush. I just saw the brush. Is this eyeshadow?
Can't tell you, sorry.
I know. Okay.
Do I close my eyes?
Yes, please. I'm guessing your eyes right there. Sad. Okay. Need some lip. Oh, lip. What's this? Oh. Okay. Close your mouth. Where's the cap? Okay, I'm just putting that down. Okay.
Where is the...
Okay, where's your lips?
Right here.
There we go.
Okay, it needs to be, like, pumped up.
Is that even... Oh. God. Did I get in your mouth?
Uh-huh.
Oh, God. Okay, anything else?
After
A finishing touch.
After the glass, we should do Barbie. No,
Oh my gosh, it broke.
No, it didn't. It's fine.
Okay, I'm just gonna have some cheeks. Okay, I'm ready. And I'm gonna call it A Night on the Town. Oh, God.
And you put your foundation on my head. And you got my eye really well. For the foundation. I'm gonna go wash the shawl.
Yeah, you might wash
Do you
it
have, like,
off.
some napkins in here?
Here.
Yeah. Yes, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay, remember the baby oil. Okay, I'm gonna fix all this stuff.
Oh, you need to wash shoes off.
No, I don't. Oh, yeah, I do. Okay, anyways. Bye.
Okay, pause.